Got the ringer in the boat today. Jax is gonna do some work, hopefully. Race car driver extraordinaire. Paw on the back, riding shotgun on the cooler. Got the king seat there, holy. Told him to turn the wipers on. We got kind of some fog going on. Let's go fishing. Jax, where are we going? I can't tell, because I can't see. She's foggy.
You got 2 feet, use them.
Yeah, but this one was giving me a little kick.
Holy. Whoa!
Stand up and reel a little bit more.
You gotta reel a little
A
more.
little bit more.
What kind of rod holder are you here? Hey. Holy moly. Can't even see it, it's so foggy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a fish. Yes. Dad's the official net man. You. Got fish flopping. Holy moly. Oh, get the net, Dad. Quit being such a meanie. It's working. Look at this poor kid. Look at that.
Hold on.
Holy moly. Big fighter.
Oh,
Whoa.
I got splashed.
Oh, there's a big one.
Now you gotta grab that one. Hurry up.
Oh, we got another one. Hurry up. Put that down. Get that one too. Reel. Holy moly. We got a walleye. Nice. Whoa. You got to reel in a little more. Here, bring it here.
Lift it up.
Ooh, good job, buddy. Knuckles. Ooh.
Stay.
See, we're in a secret spot where nobody knows where we are because we're in the fog. That's a foggy fish. Well, that's just little weeds. Didn't you just catch another nice one? Oh, yeah. You getting some?
How much fish are in there?
Like 4 or 5? What the world? That's a nice one. What do you got? You got some other ones in there too. Good job. Put them in there. There you go. Give me 5. Knuckles. Good job, bud. Holy moly. Nice walleye. Jax, you are the walleye master. Says, get the net. That's what he says. Get the net, Pa.
That's a better walleye.
Holy. That's a nice walleye. Yeah. Come around.
Hey, come around. No, hey, leave me alone. Oh, boy, now we really got a mess.
Just,
Take this one.
there you go, Trav.
No.
Dad's a miracle worker. That was a nice walleye.
Dad,
Good job, Jax.
Good job. You got it here.
Put it in the boat. Look at that, doing work. And Dad's doing work. Holy. That's a nice one, huh? Fish. Wait, gotta stand up there. Gotta get a picture. Fish of the day. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods out. That's a lot of fish, Jax. You're a pretty busy man. 5 fish in a row.
7.
Well, I mean, just right now.
Yeah.
Funny, that one hasn't went off yet.
I don't think.
That's pretty fun, huh?
Probably there's not even a worm.
Now what do you got? Holy. Yeah, eat her. Good job, Zach.
Called it.
Nice one. Take your time. Take your time. Just nice and take your time. Look at them sunglasses. Now straight up. Just lift up. Up and in.
I told you it was a walleye.
Where's a walleye? That's a good one.
That one's a keeper.
Good job, buddy. Another one. Holy moly.
Keep coming back. Keep reeling.
I'm reeling as hard as I can.
Let him have the pole. Let him. Another good one. Holy.
That's a really
Nice job. You're going to have big muscles by the end of the day. What are you doing there? Oh, got a walleye. Get him. Don't be afraid of that bugger. Clamp down.
No, you're gonna have to.
Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh. Hey, hold it. What do you think? Dad did work? Whoa, that's a big one. Good job. That bugger fought, huh?
Yeah.
That's like the biggest one of the day. Good job.
I think we have
Like how many?
66.
66, is that what the count is? It feels like it, don't it? What time is it?
Time's right now.
It's like 8 something. Holy moly. Hey, that's pretty dang good. That maybe is 60 something. Here, Jax, come here. Holy. That's yours. Go ahead, grab it. You want 2 gallons or 1 gallon? What? You don't want 2 gallons of fish? What? You're the big tacos.
So we'll be fished out by the time we eat all these.
Not too bad. Good job.
Oh, thank you.
He did. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Give me a thumbs up at least, little man. He's a race car driver. He drives 55 miles an hour already. He's the fastest kid in Mandan. Yeah, and there he goes. Thanks, Travis.
See you later, buddy.